Hi there, I'm Uncle Laurie and welcome to my weekend shave. Sorry for missing out on the midweek shave. Had a bit too much family drama going on. I won't go into details, just life. Anyway, today we're going with a soap from Catie's Bubbles called Little Lilac. And it's a scent that reminds me a lot of my grandma's garden. It's got that sort of floral and slightly smoky scent. Yeah, it's quite nice. Very nice floral scent. There's the pore there. It's a croapy type texture. Not real soft, but it says it's a luxury cream soap. That's probably what it described what it is. Similar to an Italian soap, I suppose. I'll leave the ingredient list here. It's a very short ingredient list based on coconut oil. And I'll put a pre-shave on. Yeah, I can smell it, so it's a good solid strength on the scent. So we're using the Imperial Barber Glycerin soap until it runs out. Then we'll use something else. These bars take forever to use up anyway. Especially I normally only use it once a week, so it lasts a long time. Once or twice a week I might use it. Okay, that's it. We'll go across now and do the overhead cam and produce the lather. So here's the main products we're using today. The soap I've already showed you. Get a closer look at the pore there. Like I said, it's a soft, croapy style texture. And a wonderful lilac scent. If you like florals, wouldn't get it if you don't like florals. And the razor we're using is a 3D printed plastic razor made out of Croatia by what's their name? SuperiorCuts, 3D printed, and it comes with 3 different plates: 0.4, 0.6 and 0.8. I like to use the 0.6. It's about a medium, which is equivalent to about Rockwell on plate 3 to me. And the blade we're using is the Gillette 365 stainless from Made in India. I've already got the blade in there, you can see it there. It's on its second use. So I'll just put that aside. The brush we're using is the RazoRock 400. What do you call it? Orange or butterscotch handle. And in there it's got a 24mm Plissoft knot, about 55-56mm loft. So we'll just stick that in the water to get wet. It's warm water there. Only needs to get wet, I don't need to soak it or anything. We'll bring our bowl across, and yes, I'm still using the big noodle bowl, Raymond noodle bowl. I love using this. This and the Whispers from the Woods bowl is one of my favourite bowls. So why not use them within my favourites? see it's quite soft. So I've got about quarter teaspoon, my normal amount. I might just put a touch of moisture over the top of it there. It probably doesn't need it being such a soft soap though. Dry my fingers. Now I've already got my syringe full of water here, 20 ml. Grab my brush. Give it a good squeeze, couple of little shakes. Start damp as we normally do. And let's get going. Back from reducing out leather, and I've got some on my fingers here. It's nice, slick, very nice. I really enjoy using Caties bubbles. I like the fact that it's quite a straightforward, simple recipe, but does a good job, an excellent job. I'll show you the leather. Look at that leather, absolutely gorgeous. I would call it a medium to high density leather. Lovely lilac scent, not too strong, about 4 or 5 out of 10 on the scent strength. So I'll just put this bit that's on my fingers, my face, and then re-wet it. Very nice. Rinse off, rinse my hands that is. I'll just put a touch of alum on my razor hand, even though it's a plastic razor. Just habit, I suppose. And I'll put some of this lovely leather on my face. Oh, yes. Strong memories of Grandpa's garden at Christmas time. That's what I get. Look at that leather, beautiful leather. I really enjoy Caties bubbles. I remember they originally came out in 6-ounce tubs. Alright. Wet the razor. So here we go. 0.6 blade gap. I would say slightly positive exposure. Not a lot of exposure. But it doesn't say what sort of exposure it has. I'll just turn it around. And even though it's a light razor, you don't push it. Just drag it across your face without applying too much pressure. You will have to apply a little bit of pressure because it's so light, but don't sort of dig in. Just hold it on the face. So it doesn't jump around, but don't press. That was a quick and lovely first pass. Oh, really enjoying this scent. Like I said, it's bringing back strong memories of childhood. Cottage gardens type of thing. There we go. Second layer. Oh, this is a lovely rich leather. Like I said, it's got a slightly smoky scent to it. It could be the lilac itself though. Okay, we're going across the face now. The weather here has been quite nice. A lot of sun, not much rain, although the rain's supposed to be coming next week. So I've been getting lots of nice long walks in. Well, long for me, I don't know what a long walk for other people is. I got a 10-mile walk in today. It's longer than my normal walk. When the weather's so nice, you just feel like keep going. A bit like Forrest Gump. Just feel like walking. Very nice. Like I said, just be gentle, even though it's a light razor. I'm quite used to light razor because I use a lot of aluminium razors. Right, here we go. Third layer. Yeah, the temperature here is in the low teens Celsius. I don't know what that is in Fahrenheit. Feels lovely on the faces. It's a nice knot, this one that's in the RazoRock. I think the Plissoft is the original soft knot. Soft synthetic, that is. Now I've had this razor for a while, but you can still get it. I still see it available on Etsy. I'll leave the link below in the description where you can get it if you want to try it out. Wasn't very expensive, 40-50 bucks or something, with the 3 plates and the stand. If you don't like light razors, you don't want to buy it. That's for sure. I'll take the glasses off. Going up the face. Get quite a bit of feedback on the razor. Yeah, so if you think a aluminium razor is too light, this is only it's less than 20 grams, so it's really light. I've got a 2 days growth. Even though I didn't do a video last week, I'm still shaving every day or so, every 2 days normally, and sometimes I'll get a daily one in, maybe once or twice a week. Well, it's a nice shave. Just a little bit of cleanup, jawline, a little bit on the chin. Maybe a touch around the moustache there. I've got plenty of leather left over. Look, it's still lovely structure to the leather. Doesn't look like it's breaking down at all. Actually feels beautiful on the face. Lovely and rich. Here we go, we're just doing the cleanup, so across the jawline, over the chin, actually it feels a bit neutral more than blade positive. I think the 0.8 is definitely a positive. I think I've only used 0.8 once and 0.4 once. 0.4 was too mild for me. It was like the Rockwell on plate 1 or 2. Probably plate 1 or 2, yeah, plate 2. And I'll call probably the 0.8 would be about Rockwell on plate 5. Very smooth. These 365 blades are very nice as well. Let's get the glasses on. A little bit there. Very nice. Oh, it's a lovely shave. Alright, I don't see any weepers. Let's rinse off. I will give it an Alum check because I haven't used this razor before. Well, I did it this week. And Thursday I used this razor. I didn't use the Alum on that day. Feels lovely. Right, let's have a look. Get the Alum block out. Give it a moisten it. Yeah, just a few tingles here and there. Maybe a few twos. Nothing on the cheeks, just around the neck, a little bit around the neck. It's about it. Nothing on the jaw. Moustache is pretty clear. Just a few tingles. Oh, it's well done. Alright, let's rinse that off. I don't see any weepers. Nope. Alright, let's have a look at the lather left over. And there's a large amount of lather there, as usual. Look at that. Awesome lather. If you haven't tried Catie's bubbles before, you should give it a go. Look at that lather. Right then, I'll put this on my face, go and have my shower, come back for the post shave. Back from the shower. Oh, lovely. Lovely shave. Damn fine shave. Alright, we'll start off with a bit of tea and Dickinson's witch hazel with tea tree oil and witch hazel. It is witch hazel. And menthol crystals. A little bit on my spot. Back of the head. Over there. And follow that up with the Nivea Men Balm. One squirt. Yes, very nice. Again, back of the head. There's no menthol, so I can put it around the eyes. Wonderful. And the final ingredient, we're going with the 4711. I don't have any matching floral scents, or any floral scents actually. There's a splash. But the lemon matches just about anything. Lovely. Alright, that's my shave today. Thank you for watching and I'll catch you on my next one. Cheers!